Petrov. Goes to the sideboard. Babcock puts it back to Moncrief at the point. He puts it across to Pristine. He gives it back to Moncrief. Moncrief puts it to Lazy Petrov. He shoots it. Oh, he hits the crossbar. And Pristine comes back. He puts it towards the net. Pazder tried to deflect it, gets a shot on goal. Goalie stopped that. Lazy Petrov gives it back to Babcock behind the net. He'll put it back. If it's something on the board, just stop it. Moncrief has it at the point. He slipped and has it on his knees, but gives it to Pazler. He shoots it, goes over top of the net, comes to this side. Pristine comes in for it. He gets it in the Babcock. He's being checked. Pristine put it over, ends up in the center. Lazy Petrov comes back. He has it, shoots it, goes over top of the net, and there be wide well. He slips it over to Babcock. He gives it to Petrov. He puts it in. Puts off the goalie's pads. It's still there. And now Humvee will put it down, so it gets some good pressure there. A minute.